Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So this video is gonna be very special, very important and also a very helpful video because in this video I will share with everyone few keys. Okay, a few keys that if you use in your life, all of those rules, all of those ideas, all of those thoughts, then I am sure that you can increase your value in market, you can increase your value in the society, and your possible personality, it will go higher position. So try to understand that I always share with people that increase your value, because for what? Try to understand that whenever we work for to get a good job and also for to get a good company and a good work from which we can earn a limited amount of money, that will be helpful for us. But what if I say to you that in this video I will share you some thoughts, and with the help of those thoughts you don't need to go to them and also just share with them that now I need a job, the job will come to you. And also not only the jobs in life, a lot of opportunities, it will come to you automatically. You don't have to do anything, just you have to follow my rules. And also the rules that I am going to share with you, they are not casual. I am also after a great research, and these rules I also got from a very famous book, which famous book name is The Key to Success. So the keys, they are very helpful and they are very interesting. Let's start your video. Your attitude, your thinking and also your personality, I am sure after watching this video it will develop very highly. So just watch this video step by step, you will understand why I am saying that this video is important. Work for to get something, work for to become something. This few words, this sentence, this thought, it is very important. What we do, we people, we always do hard work in our life for to get some money. We people, we always do a lot of hard work. So we study, we become educated, and also after becoming educated we also do a number of hard work. We invest our times in lot of parts of our life for to get something. Okay, it may be a good job, it may be something, or also it may be the money. But in this session, just learn from this that you, and from today, stop working for to get something, work for to become something. Yes, it's very important. Okay, when you will work for something to get something, then you have to work more harder, you have to run after it for to achieve it, for to collect it. But when you will just make something to yourself, when you will make better yourself, your personality, your attitude, your skills, your language, then the opportunities will come to you, means the job will come to you. I also will give you a simple example, like also just think in now social media, it may be Instagram, it may be Facebook, YouTube, everywhere we can see a lot of ads, a lot of company promoting their business, promoting their products. And also some great YouTuber, very big YouTuber, they are also helping them to promote. But do you know how this process it happens? By, and also the company, they just select at their target the very great YouTubers, like big YouTubers, because the big YouTubers, they have a great power of audience, their audience and also their value in market, it is very high. So that's why all of those companies, they make a target and they also just like do some conversation with them, and also by saying that we will give you a good amount of money but you have to promote our business, they also just do it. So just try to understand the big YouTubers, they are not going to any company for to say that give me some money, I will promote your business. No, the companies are coming to them and also they are saying to promote their business and also their work. So it not means that the YouTubers, they are going to somewhere, the people and also the promotion, they are, it's just coming to them. So because they have a great power of audience, their audience level, it is high. So that's why if you also make your skill develop, if you make your personality develop, then also the another type of companies, the another type of opportunities will come to you. Don't have to go and to request them that I need some money, just give me any kind of promotion, I will do it. So that's why the important and also the must thing which is very important and which thing you need, it is that first of all develop yourself. If you can develop yourself, if you can increase your skills, like also I am speaking, so I don't think that I also can speak the English language very good and also very much, but I am speaking, I am developing my skills. If you are thinking that I am making video, I am just trying to earn some money from the YouTube, then you are wrong. No, I also don't know that what will be in the future, but now I am making the videos for to develop my skill, for to develop my speaking. I also like from everywhere some people are going, some people are coming. So what means I am just speaking in front of them for to develop and also for to remove my hesitation, my fear. So just try to understand, just try to focus on yourself, your skill, what you can do. Whenever you will just develop your attitude, your personality, then and you will be skillful, then the opportunities will come to you. So for that, the author of this book, The Key to Success, he said to us that work for to become something, not to get something. Okay, so when you will become something, then the niche thing will come to you. So now let's talk about the another key which is also very important, different from people. Yes, this sentence and this thought is very important that you must take and that you must put in your brain. Just try to understand, you have to work for the people, but you have to go and you have to work in a different way. What are the people they are doing? Just try to observe it. Okay, I always share with people that observing power is a great power. So just try to observe what the people are doing, where they are doing the mistakes, what is the problems that they are facing. And you will just start observing the people, then new opportunities, new ideas will open in front of you, and you also will start to do a lot of works, and also automatically opportunities will come. Try to understand that this work and this way that you will go, it will be a little bit different, it will be a little bit difficult and hard, but when you will master it, then also the people will learn from it a lot. Okay, now also for example, I also have this experience. So when I also started, when I was a beginner, at that moment of my beginning time, I did not study the grammar that so much. I studied the grammar, but not very high grammar rules. I just studied the tense and also few part of speech, but or at the most of all time I just focused on the stories. Yes, I used to do a lot of storytelling. I would read the stories, I would tell them, I would explain them in English and also in sometime Bengalis. I faced a lot of mistakes, but also with the help of the mistakes I learned a lot of things. And now also I think the only important thing and also the only very great practice was storytelling, because now also I am speaking. We people, we just understand English but we can't speak. So at that moment when you will learn and when you will just master speaking English, then also thoughts will start coming to you. And also from the stories I learned the grammar rules, and also I stocked many words and many sentences. So that's not mean that only English, you can do your work in the another way also. Okay, just try to think one thing like what is our society doing. Okay, the people, and also if you just observe the people, then you will see and you will find out that they are doing only one thing. Then know that this work is not made for them, and also they are not perfect for that work, but then also their family members, they are doing the work, their relatives, their society members, their friends are doing the work, so they also have to do the same work. Just remove this thinking for you. Okay, like also for a great example I will share with you. Just think and imagine that there are a lot of animals in a jungle. Okay, some anywhere like elephants, tigers, monkeys, some like birds are there, and also some bear are there, some deer are there. But suddenly a person come to them, and then the person have said them that now I will give one task to everyone. You have to just climb up the tree. Okay, you have to climb up the tree, and who will climb up the tree longer, there is the greatest animal in the forest. So what will happen? Okay, no another animal can like climb up the tree rather than the monkey. So monkeys, they are always they climb up the tree, they live in the trees. So that's why the monkeys also can climb up the tree perfectly, but the animals, the lions and also the another animals, they can't climb up the tree because they are perfect for it, they are not made for it. So you also have to understand that for what is your purpose of your life. Imagine and also understand this: in this world we have only one life. Okay, we have only one life. So the people who think and also they just have as a thing, they always say that we have 7 lives. Okay, 7 lives in this world, but no, it is totally wrong. We don't have 7 lives, we all only have this one life, one generation, and if you can't use it, then you can't do anything in your life. So just try to understand what is your purpose for you born in this life in this world. Whenever you will understand it, whenever you will work on it, then it will be started, and try to find out for what thing you made of. Like also now I am speaking, whenever I speak the English language, whenever I just read the English stories, read the English quotes, English thoughts, then also I feel good at that moment. So it means I am liking and I am perfect, I am good with my work. Try to understand, if a work is just whenever you do this work, if you feel boring, if you don't like to do that work, that means you are not made for that work. Okay, so the people who just think that study education, without the education you can't do anything, only there is one way to live in the life: just become educated, read, studies every day, get good marks, and also after getting good marks, just try to do and also become a job creator, and also work in a good government job, and also just earn a little amount of money. It is totally wrong. Okay, it is totally wrong, because there are also a lot of ways to live in this world. Okay, if you are just doing a work for money, then stop doing it. Because the money, whenever, as I said you, that whenever you just work for to get something, then you will get that thing, but only in a limited amount. But whenever you will make yourself good, your skills good, your language, your personality, your attitude good, then also a lot of things will happen, and you also can earn more than them. And remember one thing, the last key and the last important thought, it is that a work is not small or big. Your thinking, your thoughts, your brain matters. Okay, just try to understand. For example, there is a work. Whenever we see some roadside works like social works, like cleaning the roads, just some stalls, tea stall, eating stall, lunch stall in the roadside, and also a lot of this type of social small works, we think that they are very small work, simple work. So this is not simple work. Any work, anything, any work, and also like any type of act, they are not small or not big, hard or not easy. Our brain makes it easy, our brain makes it simple, and also sometimes it makes it hard, and also the hardest thing. So you have to understand that thing, that just your thinking matter. Okay, like also just think that you are doing a small a social work, a very simple and a normal work. So whenever you will do it, you also will think that it is small, but no, it is not small. If your thinking is big, then you can make that small work a great work, and also it may be the greatest work. Okay, just try to, you have to understand it, what is the differences you are doing. Like I am making the videos, but some people I notice that they are sitting in their home, they are speaking, they are doing a lot of activities in their home, nearby their home, but I am now in the railway station. It is the Nishchintpur railway station, and this railway station is not prepared perfectly, it is going on, the works are going on. So that's why I want to share that a work is not small, a work is not big. You're thinking, what is your brain is saying to you, you have to understand it. You have to make the work bigger, and also the great work. So it may be also whenever you will do it, then after in the future also you can beat a government job manager, and also a job creator, by the money, by the incomes, by the earnings. So I just tried to understand you, that your thinking, that your personality and your attitude is very important, and all of the keys that I shared with you, just put them in your brain perfectly, and just try to work on them. work on them. They are also like the English language, and also English is very very important. Okay, doesn't matter what is your work, but if you have the good speaking skills, then in every work you can master. Okay, in every work you can master. And I also know that if you want to make your work bigger and also great, then you have to go to the people. Okay, like for example, if you have a good company, so for to share your product to the people, then what you have to do, you have to go to the another country, you have to talk to them, you have to speak to them. So how you can do it? By only the English language. And in every work you need the English. It may be if you are a sports player, if you are a cricketer, if you are a footballer, for the interview, and also for a number of times we need the English. So for to make your English better, just subscribe this channel, because in this channel I always share and post this type of new motivational, inspirational, and also some English ideas, tips and tricks videos. So bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video. If you feel this video is good, then also just like and subscribe this video, and as much as you can share this video with your family, with your friends, and also just say to everyone that the keys and the rules which are given in this video, it's very important in our life. Bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video.